Hi, I'm Jeff Marsh, one of the owners of Healthy You Vending. Thank you for taking the time to watch this short video on our machine. Since your machines are your income-producing assets, I think it's important for you to understand our machine and how it's superior to other machines.
There are three key points to know about our company and our machine. First, we sold the first Healthy vending machines in the nation in 2007, several years before most of our competitors were in business. Being first allowed us to set the benchmark for the industry, as we discovered how different healthy vending was from traditional vending. Second, more entrepreneurs have chosen our company than all of our competitors combined. Our machine is one of the reasons why. Third, unlike most companies, we designed our machine and based it on an analysis of other machines on the market and the feedback from thousands of our operators. Since this is our proprietary machine, no one else can sell it. On the other hand, most of our competitors picked a glass front machine sold by other companies and put their name on it. Glass fronts are machines with one big glass window in the front with drinks and snacks in the same compartment. We designed our machine for those new to vending, so we made it plug and play, so that if a part needs to be replaced, it can easily be done by the operator. For example, you can replace a snack or drink motor in 2 minutes. We teach you how to operate and maintain your machine when you come to Healthy University. With our machine, you never need to hire a vending technician. Our machines are made in the U.S. at the Sega manufacturing facility in Illinois. Sega's been manufacturing vending machines for over 30 years and has made machines for Coke, Pepsi, and other major companies. The steel for our machine comes from the Midwest. It arrives at the manufacturing facility where it is cut, punched, formed, and painted into the cabinet and door for our machine. Components are added, and then the machine is rigorously tested. Quality is a part of the Sega culture. Pepsi in particular has high quality standards, and we benefit from the high bar that they've set. Sega is one of only a handful of vending manufacturers who has both an A+ rating with the Better Business Bureau and is a BBB accredited business. You can also visit the Sega facility in Illinois and watch our machines being manufactured. Having a US-made machine is important to us. A focus on quality has allowed us to have our machine NAMA certified. NAMA, the National Automatic Merchandising Association, is the watchdog of the vending industry. NAMA certification means that our machine meets the rigorous 45-page standard covering the materials, design, construction, and performance of vending machines. NAMA certification is required in 23 states. Some of our competitors sell machines that are not NAMA certified. If you live in one of those 23 states, it's critical you purchase machines that are certified, but you really should expect this level of quality regardless of where you live. Machines made for Coke and Pepsi are NAMA certified. Yours should be too. Making a machine that meets the NAMA certification standards is one of the reasons we can offer a lifetime warranty on our machine when the average warranty in the industry is just 1 year. The Americans with Disabilities Act requires that for wheelchair accessibility, no operable part of a vending machine can be higher than 48 inches above the floor.
If you see a machine with a credit card reader or any other operable part above here, or 48 inches if it's a glass front machine, that machine is not ADA compliant.
If you want to know more about our machine and our company, I suggest you watch a few of the operator videos on our website, and then call a few of our operators and talk to them directly.
If you find another company you like, tell us about them and we'll prepare a detailed apples-to-apples comparison. Everyone has patterned their program to look like ours, but not all companies are created equal. You won't offend us by looking at the other guy, so let's talk about it. And of course, we'd love to meet you here in Utah and talk more about our program and our machine. Thanks again for watching this video and learning a little bit more about what we have to offer. We hope to earn your business.